Hi all, Rene here. Welcome today to a video hop that I'm participating in with the other close to my heart consultants of Twisted Sisters. Our goal with this video hop is we take products and then twist them and use them in a slightly different way, or maybe a really different way. So when this new dye came out in the catalog that is live today, or I'm sorry, this actually came out in the core catalog that was live last month. When I saw this, I thought to myself, that could be a really cool shaker card. So that's what I'm going to do today. So what I grabbed was the window thin cut. I grabbed the winter scene stamp, the shaker acetate foam that's square. I grabbed some just little, let's see if I can open this without making a big mess, some little seed beads that I had in my stash. We also sell several different colors. We call them itty bitty beads. So I'm going to try to use those. Scissors, adhesives, and then I just grabbed some papers out of my scrap bucket. So I think this is by Authentique. I'm not even really sure, and it's probably way retired because it's old. I believe this is candy apple. I could be wrong on the paper. Card base, some mink cardstock, and some white cardstock. And then for my colors, I grabbed glacier, black, charcoal, mink, candy apple, nectarine, and nutmeg. Not sure if I'll use all of these colors, but I thought these kind of went well together for the little scene that I want to create with a little winter tree and a snowman. So I will go ahead and get started on this and put some music on for you, and I'll be back at the end to show you whether or not my theory, my hypothesis, my experiment, I guess we'll call it, actually turns out. Enjoy. that turned out really cute. That was a very successful experiment, and it turned out better than I thought it would just for my little sample piece. So I might actually grab a sentiment stamp and do a Merry Christmas or warm wishes, something like that. But I think it turned out really cute, and I thought it was going to be difficult once I started seeing how small the pieces were, but the snowman was actually really easy to do, and I think this just turned out so cute, and it was actually pretty quick. I think it maybe took me 20-25 minutes total, start to finish, and that's designing and everything, because I didn't do really much anything ahead of time except think about it. So I think if I wanted to make some more of these, I could probably pop them out, gosh, 15 minutes maybe. So pretty quick little card. And so I hope you really enjoyed my video today. I will have a link down below in the description for the next person on the video hop, and then I'll also have a link of everybody who's in the video hop, so in case you get lost you can find your way. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you give it a try. It was actually much easier than I expected it to be, using, let's see, what's the name of this stamp set, Winter Scene and the window thin cuts. So I hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions about anything I did today, just leave me a comment down below, and I hope you enjoy the next person on the hop. Bye.